You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and it's also a brand name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary and names that many mispronounce in English. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning silent K here. Knoll. Knoll is how it is said, both in British English and in American English, so it's easy once you know Knoll. And now you know more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and vocabulary that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.